Hello everybody! Some time ago I had a video along the lines of cleaning out my drain with a Sketchy drain auger. Well, I got a new cable for it. And it's once again time to clean out the drain. And it's working a lot better. I got much more cable into the drain this time with the new cable, and got pretty good results. So I will now let this air dry, and I'm going to oil it up to prolong it, since this is a good cable and I want to take care of it. Well, here's my plan for the cable for the auger. That should keep it plenty protected. All rolled up and ready to be put away. So once again, replacing the cable on my auger. Thank you for watching.